Hi everyone, let's draw a Christmas tree. Follow along and let's draw together.
Draw a little sunshine, let the colors glow. A squiggle here, a line just so. What'll it be? We'll never know. Draw the world bright, draw it your way. Every little line can save the day. Squiggle, wiggle, dance on the page. Draw the world bright, it's your stage. A circle, a square, what comes next? Turn it into magic, you're the best. A tree, a star, or a treasure chest. Your imagination does the rest. Draw the world bright, draw it your way. Every little line can save the day. begin to draw. Stroke by stroke, line by line, hand and heart and all. It doesn't need to be perfect, just make it true. Let your colors and ideas come shining through. Playtime is drawing time, let's explore and play. Draw a dream